Kahil State People's Democratic Party Hspdp kalak penskam Ïasyllok dia ke District Council election kalau marway ne bandon ki Jingïakhun thu jingmut lang bat ki wei ki kato kat ne ki jaka kalak tmuru bandon ke Jingïakhun paralog bat ki paralog hapo ke Regional Democratic Alliance RDA. Ya kenela pensyai dau Presiden ke Hspdp uba KP Pangnyang ke sengi baar. Kane ke jingkren kalawan hadien ba ke United Democratic Party UDP kaba de ke perlok ke Hspdp hapo ke RDA kala akdeu ba baro atlegi parti gidang sim ya karai bakhadu pakin saya selok lang ya kene kekam habaya de berkejing penjelan ya kesamoy troikam ke KCDC uba pangnyang ula penpau ya kejing sngew kya bat sngew pela.
Okay, for your information, the RDA already existed since 2017, but always we fight election in our own platform in the form of post-poll alliance, because the RDA is the platform to unite all political parties, especially the regional based parties. So when we prepare the MC election, we are going to fight separately, or we have some mutual understanding in some sectors, in some areas, but in the form of post-poll alliance.
Okay, no.
That is the decision that we have already exercised in the previous election, but again now in this present election for preparation of MDC election also. Actually, I was expected that MDC election should have conducted as usual, but now we see that the council has again and again extended the term, isn't it? So, to me personally, as a leader of the party, I was expecting that, as per the proposal of the government of India, that the seat of these 2 or 3 ADCs should have increased. But surprisingly, that it remains the same. So the party actually we have already prepared last year to contest MC election, but now I don't expect that again it will extend the tenure of the district council.